Winter might look peaceful, but for sheep farmers, it's a true test of care and preparation. Wondering how to keep your flock healthy, warm, and productive this season? Let's find out. Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll explore simple yet effective tips to protect your sheep during the cold winter months. Let's get started. First things first, a cozy shelter. Sheep handle cold well, but they need protection from rain, snow, and wind. Insulate the shed, block drafts using tarps or windbreaks, and add thick, dry bedding like straw or wood shavings. Replace it regularly to keep your sheep warm and clean. In winter, sheep burn more energy to stay warm. Feed them good quality hay or silage and add grains like barley or corn for an energy boost. Also, don't forget mineral and vitamin supplements and make sure their water isn't frozen. Use heated troughs if possible. Check your sheep regularly for coughing, weakness, or weight loss. Keep hose trimmed to prevent infection and ensure wool stays dry. Damp wool can lead to chills and diseases. Shear overly woolly sheep before winter to avoid sweating and cold stress. Winter lambing needs extra love. Keep lambing bins dry and warm. Use heat lamps if needed and dry lamps right after birth. Feed Eve's nutrient-rich diet to support milk production and strong lambs. Let your flock graze during mild weather but provide shelter from cold ones. When snow covers the pasture, offer hay indoors and ensure easy access to feed and water. With the right shelter, nutrition, and care, your sheep will thrive all winter long. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming advice.